today I want to talk to you about buying wholesale. I want to talk to you about why you should buy wholesale and when you should start and what you have to do it. So buying wholesale, what that's going to do is that's going to allow you to get your items cheaper, right? So if you are making wreaths or you're making crafts and you are going to be buying things and selling things, then you really want to make sure that you're using wholesale. Wholesale is going to save you between 20 to 50% on the products. It just depends on where you get it. There's a lot of different places you can get it. In order to use wholesale, you're going to have a sales tax ID or a retail license. These are going to be through your state, your Secretary of State in the United States, and that's where you need to look. We're going to do another video on sales tax, how it works, and just some general tips on sales tax. But I do suggest that you do wholesale if you're going to be doing it as a business. If you're not going to be doing it as a business, then wholesale is not really the way you want to go, because it does come with requirements, and you do have to do reportings and things like that with sales tax. So it's a great deal if you're going to be selling items and you want to make the most profit you can. It gives you the opportunity to be more competitive with other sellers if you're buying wholesale. One thing to keep in mind, if you do use wholesale, you want to make sure that you are still pricing your products based on retail prices and not the wholesale prices. Because the only way you're going to be able to take advantage of using wholesale is if you are using the retail prices. We do have a little tip on pricing your items, including a free price calculator. So make sure you check that out. And I'll see you in the next video about sales tax.